Hi guys, today I wanted to do a short video on Cfmoto 400 500 engine mount, upper engine mount, and so yeah, uh, some time ago my CF started doing this funny knocking or sometimes rattling sounds when cold, especially when you start it. So seconds after starting, it sort of started to become loud, and you can hear this knocking, and that didn't look well. So yeah, I thought that probably I should take a look what's wrong with it and fix it, because the sound was really not good. I thought that, well, maybe it's a engine dying or something like that. So what I did was first I removed this plastic housing, these plastic parts from here, these side panels, this upper panel from the tank, and I realized that the engine is kind of moving. Uh, if you do like this, you can see that it's yeah, it's moving in its mounts. So yeah, then I started checking, and the lower mounts, these ones down here, they were okay. So I started looking what could go wrong, what's wrong with it. So what I found was that on the other side there's actually the third, or better say fifth, because there are four these lower mounts. There's a fifth mount. It looks like this. So it's kind of a rubber part with these metal parts inside. So yeah, in my case it was completely ruined. So it was, let me show you, it was like this. So it's completely ruined, because this part, this housing part, it's not metal, it's not plastic or something, it's rubber. And well, this my boys have taken a beating. So yeah, they saw hell. So after some years of riding, these mounts or links or whatever, they are just getting ruined. And yeah, as a result, the engine starts to move. This one, it's from the second ATV. That one, it was completely ruined. It's yeah, it's dead. This one, it's sort of not so bad, but also needs replacement. So the engine starts moving as a result, and in my case, the exhaust, the muffler part came loose. So here there was a gap between the header part and the muffler part. So, and there's a ring, there's the, I don't know, it's made of some fire resistant or temperature resistant material. And this ring here, well, this ATV no longer has it. It's gone. It's like I lost it somewhere. But yeah, it's because of that upper engine mount actually. The engine starts moving, and the muffler, here you can see up there, you can adjust it, and it starts moving backwards, starts moving back. As a result, the ring either gets damaged or gets lost. I think mine actually like broke down and into several parts, and just is somewhere there in here inside the muffler, so the remains of the ring. Yeah, but so yeah, and this part, this upper mount, it's not expensive. It's like something like 10 euros in Europe. Should be something like 15-20 bucks in the US. It's a cheap part, but it can cause you trouble. Yeah, because I was like frightened a bit, because I thought that, well, the engine is knocking and engine is dying, and that's the end. I have to swap the engine or fix the crankshaft and stuff like that. So no, it's not that crazy. It's just this upper mount. Replace it and adjust the muffler, remove this gap, and that will be it. You'll enjoy the. Let me start. By the way, let me start the engine. I'll show you. Now it's inside, so probably it's going to be sound a bit louder than it's actually is, but so here it is. So here we are. I will have to replace this one as well, because the rivets have come loose, and you need to swap or fix this one, this heat barrier. But yeah, so mostly issue is solved. You can see the ring is inside there, and it's in its place. So anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm glad if I helped you with your issue.